In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit your Google site with ease. First, let's start by navigating to your Google site. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Google Sites if you're not quite sure. Once you're there, sign into your Google account to access the site's dashboard or locate the specific site you wish to work on if it isn't already open. Having your site open is the first and essential step to unlock the array of editing features that Google Sites offers. Now, with your site open, let's dive into editing. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice the toolbar, which is your main navigation hub for customizing your site. It provides numerous tools and options to help you tailor the website to your specific needs. The first thing you'll likely want to do is decide how your site's content is organized. This is where the Insert tab comes in handy. Here you can add text boxes for written content, images to enhance the visual appeal, or even embed videos directly into your site. If you have content stored on Google Drive, you'll be pleased to know you can easily integrate these files as well. Next, take a look at the content blocks available. These pre-formatted sections allow you to quickly build different segments of your page without starting from scratch. Options like the table of contents or image carousel can add functional and aesthetic elements to your site. If you're aiming for a more interactive user experience, try adding buttons that can link to other areas of your site or external websites. After you've added content, structuring your site with pages and subpages is key. Head to the Pages tab to manage the hierarchy and navigation of your website. Here, you can add new pages, create subpages for more intricate navigation, or incorporate links that guide your visitors to external resources or separate sections within your structure. This is a vital step for ensuring that your audience has a seamless browsing experience. Visual customization is also important. Jump over to the Themes tab, where you can change the overall look and feel of your site. From colors and fonts to style presets, this area lets you adjust the vibe to match your brand's identity or personal preference. Once you've gone through these steps and applied the desired changes, take a step back and review your edits. Preview the site to see how it appears from a visitor's perspective. And there you have it. You've reached the end of your Google Sites editing journey for today. If everything looks good to go, hit publish to make your changes live. Take pride in your creative work and enjoy the new look of your site. Thanks for following along and happy creating.